Welcome to Silver Lake Elementary School, home of the Dolphins.
Meet the fountain. It's been here longer than most of us have been alive.
Yeah, I wouldn't even give my goldfish this water.
Let's introduce you to our second fountain. Big yikes.
By the time I'm done filling this up, I'll be in middle school.
Our students are thirsty and our fountains are broken and our cafeteria drip just is not cutting it.
You can help us change that!
Hi everyone, I'm Miss Beimers, a 4th grade teacher here at Silver Lake Elementary. We believe in supporting our students' health, wellness, and success every single day. That's why our amazing 4th grade students have taken on the lead in an exciting initiative called Stay Healthy and Hydrated. Our 4th grade classrooms are working together on a project to bring better hydration to our schools because many of our water fountains are outdated or not working properly. Through this project, we're hoping to install a brand new hydration station that will give all of our students easy access to clean, cold, healthy, safe drinking water.
Hi everyone, I'm Principal Walker at Silver Lake Elementary School. Our 4th graders didn't stop there. They've also committed to a community project focused on teaching healthy habits, encouraging families to drink more water, and making hydration a priority, both at school and at home. This isn't just about adding a new fountain. It's about empowering our students to lead change and make a lasting difference. By supporting this project, you're helping every single student at Silver Lake stay healthier, learn better, and thrive.